Fitness Audio did all the lighting and audio at Anthem Cycle. It was a really exciting project. We had a small space to work with and we really wanted to make a statement with both our lighting and audio. One of the most important things here is we needed it to all be easy to use for the instructors so it didn't take away from their class experience. So we installed the speakers, the sound system that controls that, the loudness monitor and the governor to limit the the dB levels in the room. We also did all the lighting, and part of that was to have a wall control for easy access to different colours and shows, and we had to install a phone attached to the bike so that the instructors could change shows on the fly while teaching a class. The phone control was added into this lighting system after the install. One of the requests from the studio was that they wanted to have the ability for the instructors to change the shows while they were teaching the class to adapt to the mood of the class. It's very easy to use. There's a colour wheel to easily allow the instructor to choose a different colour to suit the mood or use one of the preset program shows.